guys. Dito, dito. Oh, meron. There. 저기 바스티 누나.
내 자물쇠.
Dalawa kayo dito dyan, di.
자물쇠.
Dalawa kayo dito dyan, di. Ni ano. Basti over here. Dito, Basti, oh. Magra-right pa daw siya. Yan, si Basti. Isulat nyo pa, magsulat pa kayo. Isulat nyo pa yung wish nyo. Mayroon pa sulat dun, oh, yung wish nyo.
Kanta kayo pang sulat?
Yeah. Isulat nyo yung wish nyo dyan, di. Ayan, si Basti. She's writing. Today is, anya dito tingan. Nya dito ta. Ibagam adi dari ibag ni Basti timang isura. Mabali mag di pang sa unti rukat. Today is June 2. June 2, make a wish.
Do I write my wish on here?
Yeah, you can wish hello and then put your name on the bottom, Vashti. Just make something like you don't know if there's another name Vashti, so you have to put Vashti Albonetti. Put your name.
I'm thinking.
Just say, I wanna meet my other half here one day. Ayan guys. Dito, ayan. Ang daming ano. Ang daming nag-make a wish. Apay nga mabutin dito gawan. Dito yung dati ada dito gawan. And ito yung ano. Ito yung Seoul Tower guys. Ayan. Ilocano. Ilocano. Apay nga. June 2. Hello guys, we're here in North Namsan Tower. Kita mo tadi? Namsan Seoul Tower. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda. Dito na. Kumay ka na. Ino yan. Ne, watch out. Put it on the top over there. Vashti, kakabit niya na yung kanyang wish. Ayan. Kakabit na ni Manang Vashti ang kanyang wish. Ayan. Okay, you can make a wish na. There's Vashti.
O sea, tal vez si puedes agarrarla así como bien de atrás, digamos, así bien de atrás, como que estoy o medio 3 cuartos. Ajá, ajá.
Ayan, si Manang Vashti. Nilalak niya na yung kanyang wish. You have to press it hard. Try to take it out if it's coming out. Ayan, sina Namsan Tower, guys. Try to take it out if it's come out. That's why I told you. Because there's a lot of, they put oil. How do you call that one? Try to take. Is it coming out? No more. It's not coming out.
No, it's coming out. Look, you need to push this thing in.
You have to put it all the way. Okay. Here then. Take my video then. Excuse me. Come on. Or you can put it here.
I don't know this person.
Don't connect to someone because when you connect to someone,
Not long enough.
okay, then put it in. This one, no one is gonna remove that. Ayan, di ba? Ah,
전신 나올 때가 여기만.
ayan.
No hay otra área.
There.
Let me take a picture.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Guys, Namsan Tower. Kinabit na namin yung aming Vashti's wish. Oh, ano yan? Hindi na ako nakapag-wish, guys. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yan. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Agora kita ko din. Yan ang Namsan Tower. Sige. Tower. Okay. Ayan. Let's do it. Where are they? Later, Basti, we can go to the bathroom. Ganito karami ang mga lock. Pagdatangan ka nun yung tilak to, gumatang na Basti. Ayan, tignan mo naman, oh. Look, over here, there's more. We gotta find where to buy a lock. So, Vashti can put... We buy it. Dad bought it for me. Oh, there's more right here. Hi! Hello! Look at here! Ang daming mga locks, guys. Come here, follow me. Look at this. And where is mine? I can find mine. It's been like 12 years. Diba? Julia. Oh, Lassie. Look at this. I think we need one for our luggage. Kasi wala kaming lock ng aming luggage. Sigurado ka nga, Met. Dita alam, dita baka nakapanpanda ka. Okay. Let's turn around. Let's move over here.
Do I keep recording?
Yeah. And this is my sister. Siya ang tulay kung bakit kami nandito. At ang kanyang son. Take a picture here. Look at this, guys. Ang daming mga locks. Ayan, we're here at Namsan Tower. Look at this. There's a lot. And there's more over here. Look at this. All the way down. Jandy! Dito ni. Okay, give it up. Hi, Vashti. This is video, baby girl. Find where you put your wish. We're going to get you how many wish do you need? Lock 10? Ayan si Vashti. Nandito siya. Come on, keep walking. Keep walking on the all the way to the front. Ayan. Oh, Vashti. Julia! Come on, high five. Pak, 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 pak. Okay. Dito po nakabaon yung mga lahat na mga kandado ninyo, na mga wish ninyo. Dito magkabila ang line. Ayan. Doon din sa labas, guys. Ay, naku, nasabi ako. And all the way down there. All the way down there, guys. See? All the way there. Ay, naku, nasamid ako. There's Vashti. Hello, Vashti. There's Jiho.
It's for your
And
foot.
Jandi. Oh. And there's Marie. Marie. Ay, ba? Ah, nagpangiti ko. Ayan. Ito yung service namin na pupuntang pabalik pa uwi. Hello guys! Jandi! Where's Jandi? Pauwi na kami. God is good. Meron kaming sasakyan na iisa lang. Kasya kami lahat. Bye-bye, Namsan Tower. Say goodbye to Namsan Tower, Vashti.
Bye.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Her birthday wish is came true. What do you say? Yay! So